Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 10th of January. The euro recorded mixed results against most of its major counterparts as the meeting between French President Sarkozy and German Chancellor Merkel didn't produce any headlines for the markets. German trade data came out stronger than expected, while Greece's PSI agreement came out into the spotlight. Greece will have to perform 14.5 billion euro bond redemptions on March the 20th, and this date appears to be the next focal point in this drama. Without additional financing, the debt-ridden nation could be forced into a default. Versus the US dollar, single currency rose to 127.72 from 127.24. Against the Swiss franc, the euro fell to 121.10 from 121.60 following the resignation of SNB President Hildebrand. His credibility was damaged after a profitable US dollar-Swiss franc currency trade made by his wife a few weeks before the SNB announcement, a ceiling on the franc's appreciation. It will be interesting to observe how market participants and the SNB will react after this development. The US dollar was softer as consumer credit for November came out higher than expected. Versus the Swiss franc, the US dollar dropped to 0.9481 from 0.9540. Against the Canadian dollar, the greenback moved down to 102.25 from 103.06. And versus the Japanese yen, the US dollar opened at 76.91 and closed at 76.86. The Australian dollar advanced to 102.51 from 101.88 versus the US dollar, and the British pound rose to 154.57 from 154.30 versus the US dollar. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices slide to $101.10 a barrel from $101.17. Gold dropped to $1,611.61 an ounce from $1,614, and silver moved up to $28.99 an ounce from $28.77. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is 126.95 with a preference to enter into long positions of 126.95. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77.05 with a preference to enter into short positions at 77.05. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 102.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.45. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 154.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 154.15. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 102.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.45. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 100.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 100.85. The gold pivot point is at 1604 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1604. And the silver pivot point is at 28.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 28.50. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the Australia build permits for November. They're out and they already rose by 8.4%. Canadian house starts for December expected at 185,000. And US wholesale inventories for November forecast to rise by 0.5%. Now on to equities in Europe, they were negative. The FTSE was down 0.66%, the DAX was down 0.67%, and the CAC was down 0.31%. In the US, they were positive with the S&P 500 up 0.23% and the Dow was up 0.27%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.38% and the Hang Seng was up 0.78%. It's been your daily outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.